Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time you see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I will start with today's shows. This is going to be very interesting. All right, so the breaking news of this morning, what would you see? Number fact, David Ornstein, Fabrizio Romano, so many media houses. Everybody they talk say Andrea Berta has reached an agreement with Arsenal to become our sporting director or director of football, if you like. So now they replace Udu Gaspar again because according to how David Ornstein take break this particular story. In fact, Fabrizio Romano first, look at first read Fabrizio Romano on. Say here we go. Andrea Berta agrees to become new Arsenal director, deal in place. Former Atletico Madrid director has given priority to the Gunners for weeks, as revealed. Now verbally agreed. Despite several approaches, Berta wanted Arsenal and documents have been exchanged to sign early next week. Berta is going to work together with Mikel Arteta on new signings and summer plans to keep building the team. Now, on how Ornstein breaking, you say Andrea Berta reaches agreement with Arsenal to become sporting director. 53-year-old left Atletico Madrid in January and was among multiple candidates in process. Italian prioritized Arsenal among other top level opportunities plus contract. In fact, later when the year 7 Manchester United put body, the guy rejected them. AC Milan put body. See then like they rush him because when you look at his portfolio, the number of players when you don't bring into that Atletico Madrid, high quality. I could say show now some of all those names you get. Now, why am I excited? In fact, let me continue with the reports if I give my own take on this particular story. Give Me Sports say Berta has an impressive track record inside the likes of Griezmann, Rodri, Oblak. This great and Rodri, nothing about Villarreal in signer for Atletico Madrid again. Before you can sell her, we'll give Manchester City. Now, when you read the title of the report put out by Give Me Sports, say Berta's first task at Arsenal will be to find a number 9 with groundwork already in place for RB Leipzig, Benjamin Sesko and Alexander Isak on the Gunners wish list as well, despite Newcastle CEO Darren Ells stating that the Magpies would be crazy to sell this summer. Arsenal are also pursuing Real Sociedad's Martin Zubimendi and have Athletic Bilbao's Nico Williams on their radar. Berta's experience and contact book. Now that contact book gone, now they make me go mad. In contact book in La Liga is going to help pay dividends in the first window. Arsenal in charge. Now, do what come off me from all the old deals we don't ever do. You see, during Berta's impressive spell at the Spanish capital, Atletico Madrid won 2 league titles, Europa League 2028, and reached 2 Champions League finals. Berta, who previously worked at Genoa and Parma, helped sign Antoine Griezmann from Real Sociedad for 30 million. Come sell and go give Barcelona for 120 million. Come buy and back from Barcelona for 40 million. Like this guy, I don't understand how they pull out. Imagine buying a player for 30 million. Sell and give them 120 million. Go buy and back from that person for 40 million. The guy still they perform for Atletico Madrid today. Griezmann still they perform like mad. You get now. In all of this, why am I excited? I'm excited because for me, I see this particular deal as the biggest deal we've done in recent times. Because when it comes to transfer window, you need a sporting director or a director of football that has rich contacts, that has a clout, that is respected in world football. You get maybe say if you talk like this kind of person now go meet like the biggest of the top world best agents. Like you go meet them, follow them, discuss, say I need this player because when you look at this catalog, if I look at even carry go some of the top players when they say you don't say Arsenal favorite and Roberta, these are the top 10 transfers when you don't sign from signing Leonardo Bonucci because you don't forget say himself they for Genoa he bought Bonucci, he bought Kieran Trippier, he sold Kevin Prince Boateng from Portsmouth to Genoa. You get look at they giving us some of the list. This Julian Alvarez come from Man City to go join Atletico Madrid 9 runner 70 million. You get he went there, spoke with the player. You do everything. They carry the guy go Atletico Madrid. The guy they score goals like plates like water for Atletico Madrid. Steven Savage from Fiorentina to Atletico Madrid Luis Suarez from Barcelona to Atletico Madrid for 9 million, and he go there and he help Atletico Madrid win the league. So the guy did very get rich contact. Rodri, he signed already from Villarreal to Atletico Madrid for 20 million. He can't sell the guy, go give Man City for 70 million a year later. Like the guy, they flip players. He's very good. Jan Oblak, who is like the best goalkeeper in Atletico Madrid for now, whether they keep for them. Now, they got about 16 million from Benfica, and the guy still be the number one till date. Again. Now, the biggest transfer we don't do, Antoine Griezmann, why just tell and be like in number one. So far, so good. That's like the best he has ever done. So that's why say are they very, very excited. See, say this transfer window will enter now. This summer transfer window, you go ball, you go mad. This Nico Williams deal now we won't sign. I want to tell you for free, see that deal, based on the experience that the guy get for La Liga, that deal if you go through. Apart from Nico Williams deal, you get, you see Matheus Cunha, in get mad relationship with Cunha, you get, so if really, so one sign Cunha, I can tell you for free, say that deal, like 90% dusted. If truly you say Arsenal won't sign her, Baba na just phone call now. After Cunha just speak Spanish for him, Keke Miskaka, Baba go just come say, my nigga, Baba go run country. Oh, this deal, like I'm super excited. He beats all the people that don't shortlist. And why they not shortlist them before now? Because nobody knows someone coming for Atletico Madrid. And just January, Inter Atletico say, okay, me and now you don't take who don't do for this business. So I think I need to go and find another club. And he can't tell people when they ask or say, now only Premier League clubs. He won't go like, he won't get Premier League experience. He don't go, he don't do Serie A, Genoa, he don't go La Liga. He gets so make him still try Premier League to make his mark. He's still 53, very, very young. So he will really do well to work with Mikel Arteta from the look of things. All right, my dear Arsenal, let me give you a message from one of our sponsors, SmileyShades.ng. So them, they sell eyeglasses and their shop they for Egbeda. So if you want to buy optical frames for adults or kids or prescription lenses, you want to fix them, then they do them. And if you want to also buy this metal Ray-Ban glass, get whether they use your record, when they say anything way they see like this, you will record them, they use AI, they also sell it. So they are located in about block D3, suit 26, Olugbe Market, Egbeda, Lagos, Nigeria. So if you want to reach out to them either on WhatsApp or through call, you can get in touch with them +234 810 255 8090. So reach out to them and tell them say now from CHUKS, and I assure you they will give you massive discounts. Now, away from that, on the match you want to play today, Manchester United versus Arsenal. This match is going to be very, very sweet to get because everybody now that they talk say Arsenal will beat Man U, Arsenal will beat Man U. Now, when you check our head-to-head record for that Old Trafford, so we see we win 2. The last 5 times we play, we win 2, Man U win 2, then we can draw 1. Last season will be the 1-0. You get the season before, then that cost 3-1. You get so for their home, if we beat them again now, it will be say we don't become the first team we beat Man U 5 times straight because they'll be the 4th straight in the league already. So once we meet this last one now, we will see this today match. We will see. I think it's 5:30 p.m. Nigerian time. Now, when you look at the people who they missing in action, injuries for this match, Man U gets plenty injuries. Imagine the Man U without Ahmad will be like their best winger. This Dorogu, after this on a red card, then give Johnny Evans, Kobe Maino, you get Lisandro Martinez, Mason Mount, Luke Shaw. Even my guy herself, not really this sure. You get Luke Shaw, no sure. Well, we'll see how this thing will happen at the end of the day. So for the match, I expect to see Arsenal win. Now, another breaking news we can get this morning. Let me the fact say Martinelli follow Arsenal team travel go Old Trafford. Charles Watts first break this news when I saw it this morning. Now Arsenal self carry the same news. So I don't know whether na tactics. I be sure Martinelli, but for Martinelli to follow them travel, it means the guy don't return to training since Arteta no tell us that. But will he be playing? Will he be part of the squad? We never really know. Or like I tell one of my friend for the comment section for the DM, I can say if it be tactics, maybe I won't even confuse Ruben Amorim. Just include the guy because I don't do him before. I think I go purposely include an injured player for the squad to confuse you in the way you said go take prepare against us. So I'm not doing whether the tactics. Now when line up comes, I will see the bench. If Martinelli no dey there, then he go be say I this spot on the tactics. Say just won't confuse them ahead of the match. But if he can't dey there, then the next question will now become, will he play? Then I want to believe at the end of the match, with the post-match press conference, the journalists, the media should be asking Arteta, why you don't tell us say Martinelli don't dey okay? He just shock us. What did he saw? Okay, this guy will come now. Next match now, she ain't go play me. I'll be like, we need clarity. Don't know whether we're happy, because me, I just like keep my happiness in check until I get clarity from Arteta. I say yes, Martinelli is good to go. You get, so more just watch and see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. Now, when you look what's in they happen for PSG, you will find out, say, Vitinha, the PSG camp, in fact, they are very, very confident about their chances. So they go win for Anfield. Vitinha said, we will win at Anfield against Liverpool and qualify for that. I'm sure of it. Hakimi, that be the person where I feel made the most realistic of comments. Hakimi said, what is certain is that there will not be another game like the one we had on Wednesday. And that is true, because no two games are equal. If then they think, say, the match at Anfield, you go be like the match they play at the Park, the Princes will then dominate Liverpool, but not lie. You get, for the Liverpool match, you go show them, say, Liverpool go enter there and say tomorrow no day. You had your chances. You should have buried all those chances. That's why Hakimi say, no other game will be like this one. So I hear Luis Enrique, who is the coach of PSG, coming out to say we are going to win, we are going to do this one. The players are coming out and talking tough. Baba, the match is going to be a spectacle to behold. And when you are playing at the Anfield where they never walk alone, they will shock you. Again. But in football, anything can happen. You know, say you can never say never. Now, away from that, Man City now, when they look at statistics, Fabrizio Romano let us know, say Man City have now lost 15 out of their last 30 games across all competitions. Now, the last time we City lose 15 games, you get, they played over 169 games before they lost 15. Now, compare and contrast that to the fact that in their last 30 games, they lost 15. That is why when we say Man City have lost their touch, they are declining. Baba, next season it will still bad, because they're the buy player. Okay, look, now generally should be the buy players, but why are they still shalasking? Why are they still they lose God? Look at what Nottingham Forest did to them. When we go draw Nottingham Forest, people they laugh us. Hey, we go draw Nottingham Forest. Look, Man City Almighty. Alan no become Alan again. Salah don't score 27 goals. Alan did for 20. What's it they call it? Isaac did 19. Wood did 15. You get? Imagine a whole Alan. Although that 20 where Alan still score and still big number for some kind of players, but for Alan standard, Baba na flop. For Alan over standard, a flop, you get. And next season we will see, once Rodri comes back, whether everything will come change for Manchester City, because before now Man City will look, say any season will be so they are higher than them, we will win the league, but Liverpool let us say nobody so that they calculate something. So next season we will see. Next season I want to believe if we do the right things, especially now we say don't bring in Andrea Berta, do the right things in the summer. Next season we are going to be a force to be reckoned with. This is I don't find my voice back. Like, I mean, that this signing, this Berta signing, it really, in as much as we're not really doing what we are supposed to do this season, like it really bring that excitement into me. Like, I'm looking at the future and I'm smiling. I'm happy. You get, so now doing me at the sentence. Now, something bad happened yesterday. So the match where Barcelona won't play against Osasuna for La Liga. So all of a sudden, before the match, like a few hours to the match, there was a breaking news that the match has been postponed. Say Barcelona lost one of their team doctors, Carlos. You get, say they lose the guy died, Carlos Minero Garcia. He died for the team hotel. You get, now this was a man that followed them to prepare for this particular game. He was fine, he was preparing, getting ready for the match. You get, he followed them to eat before the game. Like Dr. Minero was at the club hotel and had eaten with the rest of the team. Later during the afternoon, in his sleep, he passed away. Imagine the shock when the news break. The players no fit, like everybody was surprised. It just the cry. So Barcelona can't appeal to the Spanish FA, say, I beg, make we postpone this game, because maybe that doctor will wear black. Yes, nobody say he's sick. Nothing. He followed them. They prepare for this match. He just say make him sleep. Baba, now from sleep, the guy just go. RIP and just full everywhere. You guess. All over, even Madrid itself put statements. Everybody just they throw RIP. Oh, this life, like, this shocked me. I know, just understand. Well, it is what it is. May his soul and the soul of all the faithful departed through the mercy of God rest in peace. Amen. Now, based on this, Andrea Berta will sign. So they say the agreement to get this guy, the person where really they push this deal, now be Arsenal managing director Richard Garlick and the executive vice chairman Tim Lewis and Josh Kroenke. Now all of them they put heads together. Then Arteta self can't give in input, because after they put their head together, they go ask Arteta, how far? What do you think about this guy? You would like to work with him? Who don't go like to work with him? And then I said, yes, I give the green light. So that's why they brought in the man, and we are hopeful, say the man go everywhere go stew, everything will do okay for Arsenal. All right, so away from that, we're going to hear say the documentary way Arsenal Invisibles won't do. Say na Amazon, now go handle the documentary, the filming, editing, and everything, and then go produce them. So it's a Amazon have started work on a documentary to chronicle the season of Arsenal's Invisibles in 2003 and 2004. It is thought the current project would be a lengthy, in-depth look at the squad. So I'm very, very happy. Maybe they'll run them. We'll see how everything will be at the end of the day. Now, Alan Shearer, instead of not coming second, they predict the match where Arsenal will play against Manchester United today. So for him, he said the match will be an easy win for Arsenal, because he believes Arsenal will beat Manchester United when they clash at the Old Trafford. And the way in they see him as a result of Arsenal mediocre performance, and Shearer is confident the Gunners will get the job done. Like, because Arsenal had it so easy the other night, and Man U didn't even win their own match against Sociedad. I'm going for an away win to Arsenal. He was telling the Metro, you get, and that's so it will be, because everybody, in fact, almost everybody, while they hear their prediction, everybody's saying the same thing. For Messi himself, they predict the match. They say for him, in fact, now 3-1 in the sea. So they will beat Manchester United anyhow. Now only Chris Sutton, the match 50 tire past more. Chris Sutton say, when they see this particular match, like the club has been on the losing side in the last 4 league meetings against Arsenal. Gets, and believe the trend will not change. Like imagine Man U meeting Arsenal last 4 times we knock them. Oh, my Man, you don't turn our wife, oh, you get. So now they say the trend will continue. This is the 5th time we will still knock them. However, United may try to make things hard for them. I definitely think Arsenal will find a way through. They won't score 7. Forget they will score 7 against PSV. They will score 7 again. No, but this match is got all the true landmarks or hallmarks of ending up 1-0 to the Arsenal. So now waiting to see. Meanwhile, Rio Ferdinand, come second talk say for this transfer when they go like make Arsenal forget Zubimendi. Forget this Martin Zubimendi and focus on a phenomenal striker. See, in as much as you don't want us to get Zubimendi, we're not talking about January transfer window. We're talking about a lengthy summer transfer window that spans over how many months? You get, when the season ends, you have until August something before you go end. So what are you saying? 2 things can be right. You can still be going for the striker. Zubimendi don't be saying with the position, we don't already get that one in the bag, at least like 90%, because they have a verbal agreement with the selling club and the player. And with the fact that Bertha don't even join us here, we don't stew now. You want to get La Liga in the bag, you get many contacts there. So Zubimendi is coming. If someone knows Zubimendi, Jorginho where they go replace, now you go replace him. Part of we never know where one leg in, one leg out. Now you go replace him. But focus on your Manchester United. Leave us no do our business. This is not January. This summer. And the striker, Shola, you go get her. I'm confident. And summer transfer. No be January. We say we fear to standing the sign. Then the sign for summer, no man. Nobody go argue that one. So I beg, keep your opinions to yourself. Now let's bring you a message from all our second sponsors. So Mobi World Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwo Road, Oreazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do reach out to them. Now, the biggest news of the day, that the fact said David Ornstein, Fabrizio Romano, the Metro, London Evening Standard, everybody is reporting that Andrea Berta has reached an agreement with Arsenal to become the sporting director. And you know what that means. That means this summer transfer window will catch fire. You get, so by the Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So they'll come your way later in the evening when we open the studios for the pre-match analysis between Arsenal and Manchester United at the Old Trafford, aka Theatre of Doom and Disaster. Till then, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now, game out and happy Sunday, y'all. All right. Bye, y'all.